Number 8. Phantasmal poison, dart frog. The phantasmal poison, dart frog, is one of the rarest and most mysterious poison frogs on Earth, known more from scientific records than human encounters. Barely a few centimeters long, this tiny amphibian lives deep within remote South American rainforests, where dense vegetation and constant humidity. What makes this frog deadly is its skin toxins. Its body secretes powerful chemical compounds that can be absorbed through touch, designed to deter or kill predators instantly. Unlike animals that rely on speed or strength, the phantasmal poison dart frog uses chemistry as its shield. A predator doesn't need to bite it. Even brief contact can be enough to cause paralysis or death. Interestingly, this frog's toxicity is not permanent. It depends entirely on its diet of toxin-rich insects found only in the wild. In captivity, without these insects, the frog becomes harmless. This shows how closely its danger is tied to its ecosystem. Despite its lethal reputation, the phantasmal poison dart frog is calm, shy, and completely non-aggressive. It does not chase, attack, or threaten. Its poison exists for one purpose only: survival. This tiny creature proves a powerful lesson. In nature, the most dangerous weapons are sometimes invisible. Number 7. Yellow-banded poison dart frog. The yellow-banded poison dart frog is a striking example of how nature uses color as a warning. Thin, bright yellow bands stretch across its small body, signaling danger to anything that might consider it a meal. This frog may be tiny, but its chemical defenses make it one of the most dangerous small animals in the rainforest. The toxins secreted through its skin interfere with nerve and muscle function in predators. Even minimal contact can cause severe reactions, teaching predators to avoid anything with similar coloring in the future. This system, known as aposematic coloration, allows the frog to survive without running or hiding. Historically, indigenous tribes used poison dart frogs like this to coat hunting weapons, a testament to the strength of their toxins. Yet the frog itself remains peaceful and non-aggressive. It spends its days hopping slowly through leaf litter, feeding on ants and small insects. Like other poison dart frogs, its toxicity depends on diet. In captivity, without toxic insects, the frog loses its poison entirely. This proves that its danger is environmental, not intentional. The yellow-banded poison dart frog teaches a clear lesson. In the wild, bright colors are not beauty. They are a warning sign. Number 6. Red-headed poison dart frog. The red-headed poison dart frog stands out instantly with its vivid crimson head, a bold signal that this tiny amphibian is not to be touched. In the rainforest, bright colors are rarely decorative, and this frog is a perfect example of nature using visibility as defense. Though small enough to rest on a fingertip, its chemical protection makes it extremely dangerous to predators. Its skin contains powerful alkaloid toxins that disrupt nerve and muscle function. Predators that attempt to eat the frog often suffer paralysis or death, ensuring they never repeat the mistake. This warning system allows the frog to move openly during the day instead of hiding, something few small animals can afford to do. An interesting fact is that the red-headed poison dart frog is only poisonous in the wild. Its toxins come from a diet of specific ants and insects rich in chemical compounds. In captivity, without these insects, the frog becomes harmless. Despite its reputation, this frog is calm and non-aggressive. It does not attack, bite, or chase threats. Its danger exists purely as protection. The red-headed poison dart frog proves that sometimes survival isn't about escaping danger. It's about warning the world to stay away. Number 5. Dying poison dart frog. The dying poison dart frog is one of the largest species of poison dart frogs, yet it still remains small enough to fit comfortably in the palm of a human hand. What makes this frog especially deadly is the strength and reliability of its chemical defenses. Its skin produces potent toxins that affect the nervous system, making it extremely dangerous to predators that attempt to touch or consume it. This frog gets its name from historical accounts in which indigenous communities used similar frogs to dye materials and coat hunting tools. Its bold patterns of blue, yellow, and black act as a clear warning signal in the rainforest, telling predators that this is not an animal to be tested. Like all poison dart frogs, its toxicity is directly linked to diet. In the wild, it feeds on ants, mites, and other insects that provide the chemical building blocks for its poison. In captivity, without these insects, the frog loses its toxicity completely. Despite its powerful poison, the dying poison dart frog is peaceful and slow-moving. It does not hunt large prey or attack threats. Its danger exists solely to prevent predation. This frog proves that evolution doesn't always create attackers. Sometimes it creates creatures that are simply too dangerous to touch. Number 4. Green and black poison dart frog. The green and black poison dart frog looks like a living piece of rainforest art, with bright green patterns painted across a deep black body. But this striking appearance is not for beauty, it's a warning. In the wild, these bold colors signal that the frog is highly toxic and should never be touched. Its skin secretes powerful alkaloid toxins that disrupt nerve signals and muscle function in predators. Even small amounts can be enough to cause paralysis or death. Over time, predators that ignored these warning colors simply didn't survive, reinforcing this visual language across the ecosystem. Unlike many small animals that rely on hiding, this frog is active during the day. It confidently moves through leaf litter because its poison makes it nearly untouchable. This strategy allows it to feed openly on ants, termites, and tiny insects without constant fear. As with other poison dart frogs, its toxicity comes from diet. In captivity, where toxic insects are absent, the frog becomes harmless. This shows how tightly its deadly ability is connected to its environment. Calm, slow, and non-aggressive, the green and black poison dart frog never attacks. Its danger exists only as defense, a chemical shield perfected by evolution. Number 3. Strawberry poison dart frog. The strawberry poison dart frog may be one of the smallest frogs in the rainforest, but it carries a deadly reputation far larger than its size. With its bright red body and contrasting blue or black limbs, this frog sends a clear visual message to predators. Touching it is a mistake. In nature, such bold coloring is never accidental. It's a survival strategy. The toxins in its skin interfere with nerve signals, making the frog dangerous to birds, reptiles, and small mammals that attempt to eat it. Even minimal contact can be enough to cause severe reactions. Like other poison dart frogs, its poison is not used to hunt, but to protect itself from being consumed. What makes this species especially fascinating is its intelligence and parental care. Female strawberry poison dart frogs carry their tadpoles on their backs to small pools of water and return regularly to feed them unfertilized eggs. This level of care is rare among amphibians and shows advanced survival behavior. Despite its toxicity, the frog is calm and non-aggressive. It does not chase, bite, or threaten. Humans are only at risk through direct handling. The strawberry poison dart frog proves that danger doesn't require size or strength. Sometimes, it comes wrapped in bright colors and careful design. Number 2. Granular poison dart frog. The granular poison dart frog may not be as brightly colored as some of its relatives, but it is just as dangerous. Its name comes from the slightly rough, granular texture of its skin, which plays a role in releasing toxic secretions. This frog relies less on flashy colors and more on chemical certainty to survive in the rainforest. Its skin produces alkaloid toxins that can irritate, paralyze, or kill predators, depending on the amount of exposure. A predator that attempts to bite or swallow this frog often experiences immediate physical distress, making it unlikely to repeat the mistake. Even brief contact can be enough to trigger a strong reaction. Unlike more visually striking species, the granular poison dart frog often blends into the forest floor, hiding among leaves, soil, and shadows. This combination of camouflage and toxicity makes it especially effective against unsuspecting predators. As with other poison dart frogs, its poison comes from diet. Ants and tiny insects provide the chemical building blocks for its toxins. Without these insects, the frog becomes harmless. The granular poison dart frog is calm and non-aggressive, never attacking larger animals. Its danger exists solely as protection, a quiet but powerful reminder that deadly defenses don't always need bright warning signs. Number 1. Amazonian poison frog. The Amazonian poison frog is one of the most iconic examples of a small yet deadly animal. Found in the dense rainforests of the Amazon basin, this frog is tiny, often just a few centimeters long, but its skin carries one of the most potent toxins among amphibians. Predators quickly learn that touching or attempting to eat this little frog can be fatal. Its vibrant colors serve as a clear warning to any potential threat. Unlike frogs that rely on camouflage, the Amazonian poison frog advertises its danger openly, telling predators, "Stay away." The toxins affect nerve and muscle function, making even brief contact dangerous. Indigenous peoples of the region historically understood its power, using similar frogs to coat their hunting darts. Despite its deadly defense, this frog is peaceful, slow-moving, and non-aggressive. It does not chase, bite, or attack. Its toxins exist purely as a survival mechanism. In addition to being dangerous, it plays an important ecological role, controlling insect populations and maintaining rainforest balance. The Amazonian poison frog is the ultimate lesson in nature's ingenuity. Size does not determine danger. Even the smallest creatures can pack a chemical punch, powerful enough to command respect in the wild.